Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quesabirria tacos crispy. To achieve that perfect crunch, start by dipping your corn tortillas into the flavorful birria consommé. Next, place them on a very hot griddle or cast iron skillet. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, aiming for a beautiful golden brown color. Don't forget to add plenty of delicious shredded cheese to each taco for that irresistible gooey center. For the best results, make sure your birria consommé is warm. This helps the tortillas absorb just the right amount of flavor. Gently dip each corn tortilla, letting any extra liquid drip away before placing it on your hot, lightly oiled cooking surface. Fry each side for approximately 2 minutes. This initial cook time is crucial for building that foundational crispness before adding your fillings. Now for the delicious filling, we recommend using a blend of Oaxaca and Monterey Jack cheeses for their excellent melting qualities. Place about 1/4 cup of this shredded cheese onto 1/2 of your partially cooked tortilla. Then, add a generous spoonful of your tender birria meat right over the melting cheese. Carefully fold the taco in half, pressing down gently to ensure the filling is secure and the edges meet. To achieve the ultimate crisp, continue cooking your folded tacos for another 1 to 2 minutes on each side. You'll know they're ready when the cheese is completely melted and slightly browned, and the tortilla is beautifully golden and crunchy. Serve these amazing quesabirria tacos immediately with a small bowl of extra consommé for dipping. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro and finely diced white onion adds the perfect finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.